Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have this absolutely stunning BMW i8. It's a late 2018, driven all the way down from London and is staying in Sandbanks for a couple of days even. Well, the owner, that is, the car staying with us. So what are we doing? We are fitting a device that the customer has bought himself. It is the BimmerTech Apple CarPlay upgrade. So we're going to be taking apart the car, fitting this interface because this car doesn't have it as factory standard because it's a little too old. So that's what we're going to be doing, is we're going to have some enjoyment with taking this car apart. Hopefully we'll be able to just do some quick video edits showing you different stages of the installation. Won't go too involved because it's going to take a lot of work to try and get this system in, but then give you a quick rundown at the end to show you exactly what we've done. So keep tuned. Okay guys, right, BMW i8 2018 Apple CarPlay from BimmerTech, we've done it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to jump in right now. Hopefully the door's going to open for me, magical. And we're going to get in. So, it's a bit of a skill getting into this car. So, here we are. We're just going to quickly go to the menu screen. So this is the BMW MMI system that you have on these particular vehicles. We've got Rich down here with his phone ready to go with the cable. Phone will automatically recognize it, and straight away we have full screen BMW OEM style CarPlay. So I'll just move it a bit more straightforward. Car's plugged in down here, and Richard's just going to very quickly listen out to what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is, first and foremost, CarPlay, you should know how it all works. This is the new iOS 13, so you've got the darker skins. You can have white if you want it, black, and also if you scroll to the left, you've also got this sort of home screen, which is quite cool. So if we go back out, we've got all your normal apps like your phone, music, messages. So if we quickly go into music, we'll see what's playing right now. Bit of London Grammar, quite nice and chilled. Can't turn it up too much, but it does sound pretty awesome with the sound system in this i8. So we'll turn it back down again just before the YouTubes get too excitable with it. So we'll come out and quickly show you Google Maps, for example. Satellite mapping, pretty decent. This car doesn't have any form of any sort of satellite mapping. It's just got the standard BMW system, which gets out of date, whereas this is all up to date, live traffic information and all that. So hopefully you can see, as Richard is interacting with the iDrive controls, he's just going to spin about a little bit, go through all the different settings. And he's just going through, like going into Spotify and stuff like that. And then you get all of that using for your iDrive controls. Now what we've done, which is also quite cool with the BimmerTech system, is that if we come out of the system, and with this one we do, it's the back button twice, and it goes you to this screen, and then back again. Takes you back to the home BMW system. But what we've done is, as a favourite, like all the CarPlay systems we've done previously, it connects in and gets the audio through the system using the aux. So rather than going through all the faff of going through multimedia, what we've done is we preset button number 8, so that when Richard pushes and holds it, it will not only automatically switch over to aux, but it fires up the CarPlay straight away. He clicks in, and there we go, straight back into Apple CarPlay. So BMW i8 2018 has been quite a big involved installation. It's definitely only suitable for coming down here in Poole. All of this is coming out. It's a really well involved installation. Oh, and one other thing, we've got it connected up through cable at the moment, just because it's the more reliable solution, but this system is wireless, so when you do plug in the phone on the first time of doing it, it will ask you if you want to enable wireless CarPlay, which will mean that you can just get in and out of it and it will work automatically. So if you've got a BMW i8 and you want to get something like this installed, then get in touch with us. Alternatively, you can buy the equipment direct from BimmerTech and get them to get in touch with us, or you can touch base with us directly and we will facilitate the installation. So as you can see, we've done it. We know how to take this car apart, and it looks and sounds awesome. It does really look like it's been there from factory. So as I said, if you've got any questions, need any help, then just get in touch.